Hey, my name's Matt and welcome to National Kitchen Equipment. Today we're going to show you the Nerone 10-tray Combi Oven, Italian import. So this is a 10-tray unit. It comes standard with water injection and can fit standard gastronome trays. So basically now we're going to show you how we go through just programming it into a basic cooking cycle. So we turn the unit on and we select the temperature we need with the left-hand buttons, and then we can select the time up or down, or we can go all the way past 1 to show INF, and that means it will be on infinite time and continue to cook. And then we just select start, and the oven will heat up and go into its cooking cycle. Now if we want to do steam on the oven, we simply press the set on button again and keep pressing it until we find stop, and then the red button will execute the modes and we press the red button to stop it. And that brings us back to the main display where we have the temperature and the time. So now we can do the steam function, add it to this mode. So we can select, just say we want to steam some potatoes for instance. We'll take this down to 100 degrees because the unit will not steam unless it's at 100 degrees. We can select, let's just select a time this time, just so we're using the timer. 20 minutes. Now if we set the steam function by pressing the set on button again, this here in the left hand screen is the percentage of steam, and that is the steam is off at this point in time, and you'll see the shower light lit up here at the base in yellow. So we press the up button on the right hand side and it turns it on, and then we can adjust the steam level. It goes up by 10% increments and we take it right to 100. Press the set on button once again and it brings it through. That's the preheat function if you want the oven to preheat up before you open the door and place the product in. Or we'll just skip that and go straight to the start and press the red button to execute the mode. And then we now, the oven was at 106 degrees from before, 20 minutes at 50% steam. And we'll see the chamber starting to fill with steam. And the counter will count down until the timer goes off and the product will be ready.